Blue 60, available smooth and slate, traditional texture, or HD2. 15 years ago, it revolutionized the outdoor living space of patios, pool decks, and walkways. When it was launched as permeable or interlocking, it took the hardscape industry by storm. It's about to do it again with a new mold configuration, 12.3 square foot per layer, 135.4 square feet per pallet. It can be mechanically laid. Each layer is placed, and then in order to weave them together, a square and rec are picked up with an extractor or a vacuum lifter and turned. That changes the pattern. Awesome. This area is 800 square foot. It's an entertainment space. It took 2 people 2 hours to do, doubling production and the number of jobs you can do per year. Edging was done with 2 different products. The first, the Brandon Edge. It's a 3-piece system. It's installed on the high side, just barely above the height of pavement. On this near side, it's 4 inches exposed for a future planting bed that's going on the other side. It's slate on top, smooth face, gives you the best of both textures. We're also using the Pave Tool Innovators hybrid edging. It has evolved based on the feedback from the contracting community. One neat evolution is this little tool that allows you to quickly lift this tab for vehicular traffic applications. That's pretty cool. It has holes that allow for traditional dense grade sand set applications to have spikes come in on an angle. It's called pavement stitching. It also gives you the option of these wedge-shaped spikes for hybrid and permeable applications. They're non-galvanized, they rust into the earth, and they create a shoveling effect, like putting a shovel into the ground or into aggregate and trying to move it. Impossible. They both will be installed with a hammer drill and a quickie spike driver. That'll make for quick installation. Our joint fill on this permeable application, it's Alliance's Aqua Rock ASTM number 9. It is tested for shape, hardness, and gradation. It goes into the joints quickly with a stiff bristle broom, a water broom, a squeegee, or the BPR 1080 vibratory roller, making sure that it's installed just lower than the chamfer. Once it's in, this will be a carefree permeable pavement for quite a long time. You want to protect your hardscape investment like any other investment. So we're going to pre-cool this area, apply safety clean at a mix of 3 to 1, 1 5-minute dwell, or 2 2.5-minute dwells, and then a rinse. That will clean the surface and allow it to accept our protectant. We're going to be drying the area with a backpack blower and a torch, no direct contact with the flame. Joint stabilizer is the protectant that we're using. It's breathable, it's penetrating, water, salt, mineral repellent. It's also stain repellent and will give us a slight color boost and some joint stabilizing without affecting the rate of infiltration. It will be applied over the surface, 1 coat. More is not better, and that will protect this area from foodborne stains and wine and anything that might be in this environment, so these clients can enjoy this for years to come.